All right, and let's keep it simple at first and talk about the probability of a single event happening. When we're talking about that, we have to talk about the frequency of events. This is sort of what we alluded to in the first section of this lesson. In the example of flipping heads or tails, the probability of flipping heads, there's only one frequency, one count of that happening, one possibility. But there are two possible options. You can either flip heads or tails. So as you can see from this lesson, P, the probability of flipping heads is 1 over 2, or 0.5 as a proportion, 50% as a percentage. Let's go to some sort of real life data. Let's say this is some data related to male college students at Palomar College. And there's 10,000 of them. And we have some frequency characteristics. Of the 10,000, we know that 6,100 would be considered attractive, 1,700 are considered wealthy, 910 are A students, 2,460 are B students, 5,760 are C students, and 480 are D students. So let's assume you're doing an experiment where you have to see what happens when you select the next male of that 10,000 that happens to walk in the room to participate in a survey or something like that. So out of the 10,000 males, what's the odds or the probability that the next one who walks in the room, the first one you encounter, will be attractive? Well, what we want to do with that is we take so we're looking for the probability of attractive males. So we look at the frequency of attractive. We know there's 6,100 attractive men and there's 10,000 total men. So the probability for attractive is simply this frequency divided by this frequency. 6,100 divided by 10,000. So the probability of pairing up with an attractive male is 0.61 as a proportion, or 61%.